Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this wonderful fall wreath for just $5. I bought these fake flowers, fake fall leaves and some glittery fall objects and this cute pre-made bow and a twig wreath from the dollar store, which all costed me around $5. So the first step on making this wonderful wreath is pasting these fake fall leaves over the wreath. I just love the twig wreath texture, so I just don't want to cover the whole wreath with the fall leaves. I'm going to cover only 3/4 of them so that the texture will be visible. You can see here that I am pasting the leaves in different angles so that the overall wreath would be looking completely filled in all the sides. I prefer glue gun for this project because, as you can see, you can just move on fast. Once I am done with the fake leaves, I am starting to paste the fake flowers. Make sure you don't paste too many flowers. Now I am pasting a bow, the pre-made bow which I already showed you in the intro. I am pasting it in between two flowers. Just go creative with choosing the fake flowers colors. As this is a fall wreath, I just chose some fall colors. You can use the same idea for creating different wreaths on different seasons. Now I'm done with the flowers. Pasting the fall objects. These are weightless as it is made of foam, so it can go anywhere and you don't want to worry about the weight of the wreath. I'm just pasting the glittery leaves, the glittery pumpkin in between the flowers. Center part with the word fall. So using a stencil, I traced the letter. So I took a foam glittery sheet and made it cut like a banner. I am pasting the foam letters over the foam sheet. So once your fall cutout banner is ready, use a string or a fall ribbon like that I have to make these cutouts into a banner. just apply some glue over the foam sheet and start pressing the ribbon towards it. Now your tiny fall banner is ready to go with your wreath. Now carefully place the fall banner under the wreath. Now measure the ribbon length and cut the excess of the ribbon and paste the banner on the wreath's back side. See, the overall look has been changed after adding the fall banner. Isn't it cute? I hope you loved the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.